Now from the 8 News Now investigators, a sex offender on trial accused of murdering his 21-year-old girlfriend.
That murder, though, took place back in 2017. But as 8 News Now investigator Kyle Payne tells us, justice for the victim's family may be just days away.
It's been 7 long years since Laura Gooden died, an eternity for her family, and a long time for the lead police detective, now retired, who went into detail today on the stand about his investigation.
After 7 years, it's really important to be able to be here and hopefully get some closure and justice for her. Justice for
21-year-old Laura Gooden, who police say lived with the defendant, Robert Roginski, until the day prosecutors say he strangled her in their downtown Las Vegas home.
We had tons of probable cause to go into this house.
I'm going to object to that, Your Honor.
Roginski's attorney trying to limit the damage to the jury of homicide detective Dan Long's testimony, saying Gooden fought for her life from the much larger, much older Roginski, who was 38 at the time of his arrest.
She had been in a fight. Her nails were broken and she had contusions, abrasions, everywhere.
Before her murder, before Gooden met Roginski, he served more than 3 years in prison for lewdness with a child under 14. But he was using a different name when he met young Laura Gooden, who, according to her sister, loved kittens, showed an interest in the law, and is entitled to justice.
I just want this to come out so that my family can feel safe.
While the family has had to wait those 7 long years for this trial to start, they've only had to sit through about a week of testimony. It's expected to wrap up early next week. Reporting at the Regional Justice Center, Kyle Payne, 8 News Now.
Roginski has been in CCDC since his arrest in 2017, in addition to his 2008 conviction for the abuse of that child. He was convicted again for violating his lifetime supervision after he created an internet business under another name.